to the Vera Project. It's Melissa again, and I'll be doing a 2021 DIY Christmas this year. And some of the things I'll be doing are a little bit different, and I hope you guys enjoy it and bear with me because it's the first time I'll be doing this. It's something that I just made up at the top of my head, so it might not come out perfect or it might not, but maybe you can make it better with your own ideas, which is great. So let's get started. And of course, all the things that I buy is from the dollar store and Target. And I did shop at Michael's last year at their after Christmas sale, so I got a few things there. So let's start with our first project, and please don't forget to share a page, subscribe if you haven't already, and like and comment. It's really helpful for us. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoy it. So first thing, don't forget to turn on your hot glue gun so it can get ready as you're getting everything set. So the first thing we're going to be doing is a globe, and this one's different because I just gotta tell you, I'm so excited because I've never seen one, I don't know if they never had, but I've never seen trees, you know, all these different colors, rainbow colors like my daughter calls it. So I was so excited to buy these because it's just something different. It's not green or white, you know, like they usually have. So I'm really excited when things come in different colors. So, and I also can take a chance to celebrate with the LGBTQ community as well. So these two items I got at a Target. Now this is a little bit more expensive, but it's gonna come out great. So these little trees are $3, and I got them at that dollar section area when you first come in. And then this globe, I got it for $5. So together it's $8. And you can always add more things to it. You know, like at the dollar store, I got a bunch of these little mini figurines. So first I'm gonna see how the trees look, and if it needs more, then maybe I can add like a stand out, this one, or just a second. So let's take it one step at a time, and let's get started. This really beautiful globe, and it's a little bit heavy, but I am loving it. You can twist it and it comes out nice and easy. Now you see it doesn't come with the top part, which I thought it did. So I'm going to need to, so I found my board, some leftover foam that I got. It's gonna be a little big, so let me cut it a little bit. In there. Let me make sure it closes. Perfect. Okay, and now I'm gonna line up the trees. I always like to see where I'm gonna put them first. One in first. just gonna wait a little bit so it can dry, and I'm pressing it down. For $8, you can make your own, and you can also put water in it and glitter. I'll see if I can go buy some and try it out, because it'll be pretty cool to shake it and have the glitter fall on the tree. So that'll be kind of cool. But look how beautiful this is. If you want to do your Christmas a little bit different, instead of the traditional colors, you can make it fun, festive, different colors, nice and easy. Okay, so our next project, I got these little wall hangers from the dollar store, and I'm going to be putting them together and making them just one piece for the wall decal. This will be nice and simple. It'll probably take just a few minutes. Let's get started. Just make sure it's aligned with each other. Just to make sure it stays. Okay, and then make sure it's dry. Okay. Here it is, a nice wall hanger. Here it is. It's nice and strong. I put extra glue just in case, because sometimes you never know with hot glue. But this is your wall hanger. And you can pick different ones if you don't like these three together. But this is nice and simple. You can put all of them in one shot. And then later on towards the end, I'll show a video of how it looks on the wall.